Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there. This week I'm going to be installing stainless steel brake and fuel lines as much as I can before I do the subframe. First up, I'm going to be doing a layout real quick of the brake and fuel lines. I ordered fuel lines from Inline tube. These are stainless steel, and I also got a new brake line set from a different company. This is somewhere in Columbus or near Columbus. I forget the name of them exactly, but they're on eBay. Just a little bit better price, and they look very nice as well. These are stainless steel too. I have all the old lines laid out here. So I have to match up everything, and they have a couple different bends and stuff that just for shipping purposes you have to straighten for the lines. So I got to do that too, start matching everything up. Then I'll get underneath the car and start putting everything back on. We put the brake lines on the rear diff, and I also got new wheel cylinders so I could have peace of mind, everything will be brand new. Also have to sandblast some more parts. So these are all the bolts that hold on everything fuel line and brake line wise, and a couple other random brackets. And yep, I'm gonna put this limited slip tag on as well. Just got to clean that up and then put it back on the rear diff. So everything's matching up pretty nice. After I did some minor adjustments, still got to bend this a little bit more, but I'll do that when it's starting to be mounted on the car. That end's not too bad down there, but this one, I just knew this was going to be too much of a curve. So you can see this factory one like swoops up and around. This one's nowhere near that angle, so I'm going to have to hopefully be able to bend that without messing up this tip here, because the biggest thing with stainless steel is trying to flare it and get it to seal right. So I don't want to mess up this flare. Just get a little bit of a bend going in here, and hopefully I can get that seated in correctly. But I think I'm going to mount it on the car now and see kind of how that's going. But before I do that, let me blast all of these brackets and the hardware.